What's going on, guys? Wow, this camera is big. So, I'm shooting on a new camera today because this one, here's my older one, right here, this guy is, like the lens won't, like if I hit this power button, it goes to turn on, and then it says that. Because when I dropped it, you can see the indentation on the lens right there. So yeah, that happened. So, we got a new camera. And this is the Panasonic Lumix ZS60. So, right here, this little guy. Shoots in 4K. Now my phone shot in 4K at 60 frames per second. This shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second. So I want you guys to let me know what you think about the video quality and the audio and stuff like that. And I'm gonna head out to Norris and do a bit of herping and just kind of test out this camera and see what it's about. I literally just got it in the mail today, so I haven't figured out all the bells and whistles that are in there. So it's kind of trial and error thing. So this thing is a little bit heavy to hold in my hand, so I'm not going to be doing that a lot. And it's big, it's bulky. I love it. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But putting it in and out of my pocket, it's going to be interesting. So let's get to Norris and test this thing out. See, this is kind of prime habitat. It's looking like for I don't know what. It doesn't look like a lot of people come down here, but yeah, look at all this stuff. The only thing I'm realizing right now is I'm probably going to have to bust out the cargo shorts because pulling this thing in and out of this pocket is yeah, it's, hang on, this thing is a beast. I have to move around. It's not really working out that great. So first flip on the new camera, let's see what we get. Nothing. Kind of saw that coming. Alright, let's take a look over here. Anybody home here? Doesn't look like it. I'm trying out a brand new spot that I've never checked out before, so I don't know why there wouldn't be a copperhead just kind of chilling somewhere in all this stuff, or maybe a hognose. I don't know. But I'll get back to y'all if I find anything. Wow, this is crazy looking. So, see right here, this rock ledge, totally perfect for something to be sitting out there whenever the sun, this would be a spot to really go to early in the morning when the sun's not way over there and it's actually over there and it's shining light right here. But a little herping tip for you guys is, you know, if you're getting bored with herping or you're new to it, especially if you're new to it, don't fall into this, like the trap of where you go out to certain spots and you find a lot of stuff and everything. That will eventually wear out. You want to constantly change it up, like go places like this and see what you can find, mix it up. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to be perfect, it's going to be easy, it's going to suck when you go out several times and you don't find anything, but you're always discovering new spots. And you could find a brand new species in a brand new spot, and then now you know that they're there and you can mark that down. Next thing you know, by the end of a year you have 50 plus brand new spots rather than your same 3 in your constant routine that you've been going in. Anybody home? I'll tell you what, guys, I don't know about you all, but I am loving this camera. I'm absolutely loving this camera. Not seeing anything yet, but there's a bunch of spots over there to flip where that spring water is coming down. I don't know if you guys can hear it. The spring water is coming down, and it's got a little marsh right there. A bunch of rocks in there. Might be coming out here earlier tomorrow and really hitting this place hard. We'll see. I'll pick it up if I find anything or if I see any cool spots. Also, where it's windy, you guys let me know what the wind's like on this thing too, because we got a rat snake in that. It's gonna be a long video, I can already tell. So I'm headed over here to this edge, and you guys can see, I mean, you can see the potential. You can see how clear that water is. I wonder how, if I zoom all the way, how clear it'll show up. I mean, I'm gonna zoom all the way. Oh my goodness. That is insane. That's like a 30 times zoom. You guys can see everything. That's ridiculous. It's pretty steady too for the most part. There's the marina. Wow. Be sweet to see a snake out sunning right now. Alright, let's go check out the marina. So, we couldn't go out on the marina or where the boats are because there were no trespassing signs everywhere, so. But, it gives me a good idea of what to look for, and these different little areas like this where these water snakes would come up. Different little rocks to flip and stuff. I'm not going to flip any right now, but I want to get to this new spot, this new trail. We're running low on time, so I want to go check that out. But on my way back up, I want to show you guys what I walked past to get down here. It's crazy. I can't even speak. It's so great. Let's see. Oh, parking for Ranger and TWRA. So I probably shouldn't be parked there. Well, you know, you live and you learn. Well, I hope my car's still there. Yeah, it comes around here. It's got this wall. I thought that was a snake when I first saw it. And then it hits this stuff. That is just insane. I mean, absolutely insane. Sorry if the sun's like right in the lens, but all this right here, be crawling with snakes. You could just scream. And then there's the other side of that. I'd love to get up on that ledge. All this stuff, it goes back over here in this corner. Hang on. Alright, get out of the sun so I can actually see what's going on. Yeah. Crevices for days. And that goes around to here like, man. I saw that and I just about pooped my pants. It looks that awesome. All these crevices up in here. Really surprised I didn't see a snake, but we still have a trail to hit up, so check that out. Alright, well, I found this little trail, and it says Marine Railway Loop Trailhead 4.4 miles, area closes at 10 p.m. I don't plan on being here till 10, but I do need to figure out where I'm at. Where am I at? No idea. Marina Loop right here, so it goes around here. Park office recreational area. I guess I'm here, so I could go one of two ways. I don't know. This habitat looks crazy though, so we're gonna give it a shot. I don't plan on being out here till 10, but worst case, I do have a flashlight. Which way should I go? This way looks like it's more in the woods, a little bit more shaded. The sun has been out all day, so I figure these snakes are probably trying to thermoregulate and get under stuff and cool off. It's like 80-something degrees. I'll pick it up if I find anything. Or if I see something cool, I want to show you guys. So that's what I've been walking through. I want you guys to see this transition of habitat. It's absolutely incredible. I'm going to flip that. And then it goes out one of these stretches. Wow. Good Lord. Have mercy. And perfect spot for king snakes. Maybe over there too. It's pretty thick, so probably just gonna scour over this a little bit, or just skim over it. But yeah, this is awesome. Alright guys, and this is why you go off the trail and you go to different spots. This good lord, dude. It's an eastern worm snake. I literally just pulled this up and he was laying right in there. And oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is awesome. Just look. Look at that little head. It's not focusing, of course. Let's see if I can try to get this thing to focus on the snake. There we go. Let me get him down here. Look at this little cutie. You are just gorgeous. My first eastern worm snake that's not beat all to hell or at Imes. Look at him go. I know. Look at that belly though. Oh my goodness. So successful herping trip. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I don't know why it's not wanting to focus. There we go. Still trying to figure this camera out, guys. Look at that face. That is too cool. I love these guys. They are amazing. Alright, well I'm going to try to snap some pictures of this guy on this new camera. And then we'll let him go. I doubt he's going to cooperate for me. Actually, I'm just going to let him go. I'll get some pictures of him different time. But never expected to find a eastern worm snake right here in this little spot. He was just curled up. There you go, buddy. There you go, dude. Too cool. So, I just gotta show you guys this habitat. Unreal. I would get lost in here. Absolutely 100%. So, I flipped these. I didn't see anything under them. So, I'm going to make my way down to the trail again. The crappy thing about herping up here this late is that being in these mountains, I almost twisted my ankle. Being in these mountains, that sun goes down over the mountains. It's just like 10-degree change here, and it's super dark real quick. And you go out in town, it's still daylight. So that's why. Look at that. That just looks pretty. I'll actually focus on it. There we go. That looks cool. Alright, I'm gonna flip this. See if anybody's home here. Do a live flip. Okay. We're still good. My camera started freaking out talking about SD card stuff, so I had to test it out again. Alright, we're good. Okay guys. You guys let me know in the comments. Where's he at? There he is. What? I'm gonna get real close to him. What kind of, is that? I don't know what kind of skink that is. He just took off. I have no, oh, he's checking me out. Oh, he's taking off. Oh, he's taking off. He's moving down under there. Yeah, you guys let me know in the comments what kind that was, because I don't think I'm going to be able to catch him. I'm going to give it a shot. Alright, so that little guy got away, but I'm wanting to say it was a ground skink, but I don't know. Because I've only really messed with the broadheads and the 5-lines, but that just straight brown back was just, or tan back was just ridiculous. So let me know in the comments what he is. And still walking this trail. There is just so many rocks to flip like crazy, which I'm gonna have to stop here and at least flip a few, because this is just insane, absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, I'm definitely planning on coming out here tomorrow. I'm just gonna wear shorts and I'm gonna try to come out here earlier. Because, oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. So I just flipped that rock right there, and there was another one of those skinks, but he was smaller, and I had him in my hands, but then he got away. There would have been no way I would have been able to hold him and get the camera out of my pocket, and yeah, but I'll try to get another one. They're everywhere. Alright, so you guys remember when I was over there, like there's my car, and we went down that trail for a little bit, turned around, and then I came back up this one. This one is where the sun's hitting. So And we have tons of little rocks like this freaking everywhere. Oh God, you can't let that one. I mean, the sign for it said it led to some kind of ridge in like 2 miles. Said it was really steep and strenuous, so that sounds good, but I gotta lift these rocks right here because that just looks too good. So I might not ever get to this spot. Alright guys, I just gotta show you this habitat right here. It's just absolutely incredible what I've been walking in. And I mean, just like stumps like these to flip, like I can't get over it. So many spots for copperheads to just be tucked up under them logs, or timbers to be tucked, but it's so crazy because it's so different than the trail that's next to it, which is just right down there where it's so green and thick and in the woods. So I think this might be my new favorite spot just because of the diversity of habitat here. It's insane. Insane. I'm gonna flip over here. Let's just see if we can get something live on here. Oh, it's just a big pile of rocks. Well, let's see. Oh, nope. I gotta put that back. Hang on. So this place just kind of came down here to the road, and I'm kind of following the road now. I guess I'm gonna head back to my car. I guess that was the end of the little bit of a trail, but it said 2 something miles. I didn't think I'd walk 2 miles. So, I don't know. We'll see. It just leads back to the car. I guess that's where we'll end it. But hopefully there's some flat rocks and stuff along the way that I can flip. Maybe get some ringnecks in here. That'd be sweet. Alright. I was starting to get worried. There's my car though. So that's good. And I was hearing tons of stuff just going along, scurrying in these leaves. Drove me nuts. Those leaves actually go pretty daggone deep. Like, it's kind of ridiculous how deep they actually go. Oh, and we got a car coming. Sucks for that guy. Haven't seen any DORs yet, which is kind of surprising. Like nothing, not a skink, not a frog, not a turtle, snake, nothing. Roads are pretty well clean. But right here, I literally just heard a snake that I overlooked, so I'm gonna try to find him. Hopefully it's not a copperhead. Well, whatever it was got away. But it was like that rustle through the leaves that was like long. It wasn't like short and a little choppy. It was just like that smooth, like continuous rustle through the leaves, like when you know it's a snake. And car. See, this is a little treacherous right here, but you know, do what you gotta do, right? Look at that though, that looks pretty. Alright guys, well, another car. I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a review on what you think about this camera. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow though, plan to wear some shorts and come out here a little earlier so we can actually really hit those trails. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.